What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today I wanted to talk about my little hustle turned big hustle, how Amazon FBA works, and how you can make money from it. I started my Amazon journey a little bit over 2 years ago, and I don't consider myself a pro by any means, but my sales lately have shown and proved that I know what I'm doing. If you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering if it's too late to start Amazon FBA or just trying to figure out more information on this business model. So hopefully this video is a little helpful for you. I will be going over on how I got started in this Amazon business, the great tools that I've used and helped me grow in this business. I would also go over the pros and the cons for this private label business model, tell you if I think it's a good idea or if it's not too late to start in the year 2022. If any of this information interests you, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to leave a comment with any questions or ideas for new videos that you guys might have, because I do plan on sharing more information with you guys. Disclaimer, I am not a coach or a course seller trying to sell you a course. This is my real experience that I've had while selling on Amazon FBA. So please continue to watch. So what is Amazon FBA? FBA basically stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. So I don't know if you guys are aware, but most of the products sold on Amazon aren't sold by Amazon. They're sold by third-party vendors, small businesses like me. There is different methods on selling through FBM, like wholesaling, retail arbitrage, but the method I use is the private label method. Now, this isn't the same as drop shipping. Private label basically means that I get a product, I do some research on it, and once I figure out that it's a good product to sell, I find a factory or a supplier that can make this product for me and just put my label, my brand on it, package it the way I need it to be packaged. Once I have my order completed, then I send it over to Amazon's warehouse, and Amazon takes care of the packaging, the shipping, and the customer service returns, all of that. Of course, it's for a fee. It's not for free. That's basically how you can make money by selling through Amazon. Now, how did I get started selling on Amazon? I started selling on Amazon and getting my feet wet a little bit over 2 years ago when I was still with my kid's father. I was a stay-at-home mom and I wanted to get a little bit of extra income for us because we were living paycheck to paycheck. I came across a video on YouTube and saw that there was an opportunity to sell on Amazon, and I thought that was great because I feel like I am one of Amazon's best customers, just like all of us are. But we gotta be honest, Amazon is where it's at. So it really interested me, and I started watching more videos and gathering information, and I stumbled upon this coach. His name is Cody Hawk. I don't recommend coaches if you are starting and don't have a lot of money available, because sometimes coaches just sell you information that you could get otherwhere. I made a mistake of hiring this coach that didn't really teach me the right way. Now, I haven't experienced other coaches, so I don't mean to bash all coaches or courses out there, but from my experience with this guy Cody Hawk was terrible. He basically charged me a couple $100s. I believe it was like $500 to just tell me if my product ideas were good or not. He didn't break it down so I could actually learn how to figure out myself if a product was a winner or not. So I made that mistake. My first order, my first 2 products would totally fail. He told me they would work. He just basically told me, this is a spreadsheet, fill it out. Then he would tell me, yeah, those products are good, go for it. Order this many, and I just did it. And it was a mistake. My house burned down with my inventory in it. I don't send my inventory straight to Amazon. Since I had started, I want to like get my hands on my product before I send it off. So I had all my inventory in my house and it wasn't selling, and I was stressed, but my house ended up burning up. So I did get a second chance and got my money back for that inventory. I don't know if in full amount, but it was a chance for me to rethink my strategy and try it again, because I felt like there was so much potential. I just had to keep going. One of the things I would recommend if you are starting and don't know where to get the best information, I feel like the best information comes from this course called the Freedom Ticket. Now, they're not sponsoring me or nothing. This is just from my experience again. I like the course a lot. I feel like it helped me tremendously. Like, yeah, there is a lot of free information on YouTube and you could probably start off there, but if you guys want to actually make it and learn the step-by-step and so much wonderful information that this course offers, and I will do the Freedom Ticket course. Now, this course is offered through Helium 10. Helium 10 is the software for Amazon sellers, and I think now they have Walmart platform on there too. All the tools you need to do research. They just offer a wide variety of tools needed to run an Amazon business. So their cheapest membership is about $40, and that includes the Freedom Ticket course with it. So I totally suggest, if you guys are trying to gather some actual valuable information, to pay at least the 2 months to get your course done, to finish the course up. It's still how to use their tools. It explains how to research products, everything that I feel like any other course could offer and more. It has up-to-date information. Now let's talk about the pros and cons for the private label business model on Amazon. I have a list, so I'm gonna be reading it. So one of the best pros of them all, obviously, is that you get to be your own boss. You are working for yourself. Nobody's telling you what to do. You work at your own time, at your own pace. That is the best pro out there, and I feel that's what gets a lot of people interested in this business model as well. So the freedom of it, the whole idea of being your own boss, being your own person. Also, another pro is that it is such a good way to start a business or a brand. Instead of making a website and having to work so hard with influencers and ads, driving your traffic to your website or to your storefront is so hard. And Amazon already has millions and millions of customers willing to make purchases off of them. If you're a brand new seller that doesn't know where to get exposure from, Amazon is a great way to get exposure for your business. Also, another great thing about it is that you could be making money on your sleep. My favorite thing is to wake up. The first thing I do is go on my phone, check how many sales I've made, and depending on what time of the day I woke up, it's usually at least 5, because right now I'm averaging about 30 units a day. Another great pro is the self-growth you experience while doing this business. It's with any business. It's like you kind of see your baby grow and be proud of it, you know, and it just feels so good. It's like one of the best feelings to be self-sufficient and be able to grow a successful business. Okay, so now over to the cons. So one of the cons is that you can't really start with a couple $100s, not with the private label method at least. You need at least 2K. I feel like 2K is like the winning number to get started on Amazon. You could probably source a good order of an affordable product with 2K to get your feet wet, get your feet through the door and stuff like that. Now, another con is, and probably one of the worst cons, but that's everywhere, is competition. Competition is so fierce, especially now, the year 2022. I feel like more people are waking up to the fact that everything is going to be online now, and Amazon is killing it out there in the e-commerce world. So I feel like a lot of people are catching up, so it is giving more people opportunities to sell on the platform, which means that it's more competitive nowadays. But that's why you have to be strong-minded. You have to be able to like move forward after maybe a failure and not get discouraged so easily, because there are competitors out there and some of them don't play fair all the time. So you just have to be, you know, strong-minded. It isn't for the faint of heart. Like, you have to have your thing going on. You have to be motivated, because again, you're your own boss, so there isn't going to be nobody besides yourself pushing you and pushing the business forward. So you have to obviously have a lot of optimism within yourself. Otherwise, if you're one of those persons that gets easily discouraged, then this is probably not a good business model for you. And another con is the fees. So Amazon obviously charges you for their exposure, for showing your products to their customers, and for shipping and handling all the customer service and returns for you. Sometimes the fees do get expensive, but that's why you have to know before you order a product. You have to put all of those numbers into consideration and figure out if you should move forward or not. So do I think it's a good idea to get started? Is it too late in the year 2022? I don't think so. I feel like you still have a chance. There's still so many opportunities. Amazon is growing, and I don't feel like it's stopping its growth anytime soon. It's just something that if you want it, I feel like if you have enough drive and enough motivation to get your own, then you could go get it. Like, I'm a single mom of 5. I don't have a lot of help, and I was able to do it. Now I didn't know what I was doing at the beginning. I made a couple mistakes, but I didn't let that stop me. I knew what I wanted, and I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna get it. So if that's the mindset that you're in, then I feel like you could be successful at anything that you want to do. That's all you need. And Amazon is such a great opportunity. So I feel like, yeah, you should go for it if that's something that you're interested in. If you feel like you have a good mindset, then do it, baby, because there's money there. So that is all I have for today, you guys, about this topic. Just wanted to let you guys know what I do and share my information that I have, my real experience that I have. I'm not trying to sell you guys no courses yet or anything like that, but for now, this is all I have. If you guys have any questions or any video topics that you guys are interested in me making, then leave them down in the comment box. I might be able to answer most of them. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but I'm trying. So yeah, guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.